There is at least one moment in our life where we aspire to be someone who others look up to. A scientist who knows so much about the world because of their studious attitude. We watch in awe as they make groundbreaking discoveries. From unraveling the mysteries of the universe to engineering life-saving medical advancements. In the process of achieving this dream, learning takes place. That's when the word wonder comes into the picture, which begs the question, what is this wonder and why is it so important? Eva is a 10-year-old student who never really wanted to learn since she thinks it's a waste of time and energy. To her, school was just a place for homework and exams. She doesn't see the point in memorizing historical facts, analyzing poetry, or finding x in an equation. However, she does care about her grades and was devastated to see her grades in such a bad state. One afternoon, Eva wanted to ask her sister, Lily, to help her with her homework. She looked everywhere around the house but didn't find her until she walked into her sister's bedroom and found Lily adjusting the lens of a microscope on her desk. Whoa! Oh, hey Eva, I was just tinkering with this big old thing. This is a microscope, and this instrument is used to magnify very small things like cells, which cannot be seen by a naked eye. In Eva's mind, her curiosity flourished into wonder. She kept adjusting the microscope to see more of those tiny, interesting-looking cells, and didn't want to give Lily a chance to look into it. This went on for a few hours, which led to a lot of debate and discussion, with Lily lecturing Eva about the mechanics and history behind the microscope. On the next day at school, Eva's desk was surrounded by her classmates, chattering and asking questions. It turned out that she had brought her sister's microscope to her class and showed it off to everyone. Little did they know that Eva woke up at the crack of dawn to steal her sister's microscope because she knew it would amaze her class. Despite this, she was able to give her classmates a lecture about the microscope, which she learned from her sister. A few hours and periods went by, and it was already break time. The energetic students rushed down the stairs to be the first in the queue at the food counter, while Eva and her friends sat casually at their lunch tables, talking about what's new, until Lily walked to them with a stern look on her face. Eva, please return my microscope. Oh, Dad, I'll return it tomorrow. I said I want it now. Eva left the canteen and returned back to class to grab her sister's microscope. She looked into the microscope one last time and saw a purple-looking cell that was almost like a blob. Hello! I think I'm hallucinating.
No, you're not hallucinating.
Oh my God!
Get off me, boy!
Keep in mind, I'm going to multiply if you rip me off your hair. It's called binary fission.
Don't talk to me, boy! What a drag. I'm going back.
What?
It was the end of school. Eva and her sister returned back home after a long day of school. Immediately, Eva went and took out her science papers to do corrections, only to find that her science papers are tainted with purple writings on it. Those writings were science fun facts, and it piqued her interest, so she spent all night reading it. The next day at school, it was her science test, and she was very nervous the whole time. She sat down alone on a bench during break time, overthinking about her results and whether it's going to be bad or not. All of a sudden, her science teacher walked up to Eva with a wide smile on her face and gave her her science paper. Eva's results were simply incredible. Wow! This is why wonder comes into the picture in the process of learning and understanding. All it takes is to be interested in something that makes you ask lots of questions. This is when learning meets wonder.